Is REALiX reporting the HWiNFO32.dll is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. To start fixing HWiNFO32 manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the HWiNFO32, the HWiNFO 32-bit kernel driver library. It manages the unmanaged hardware-level sensor polling and system configuration analysis. It facilitates the data link between the physical hardware manifests, CPU, GPU, RAM, and the monitoring software UI. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. This issue involves a protected Windows DLL that requires official restoration. Start an elevated command prompt session and run sfc/scan now so that Windows can automatically validate and replace files like HWiNFO32. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the HWiNFO32 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Replacing HWiNFO32 without a proper engineering protocol can lead to DLL hell, where multiple versions of the file conflict and paralyze your OS. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If HWiNFO32 is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored HWiNFO32 functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support